In this video, I will show you how to loop YouTube videos on mobile. So let's get started. First, open YouTube app on your mobile device. Now open any video that you want to put into the loop. I will play this video. Now tap on the video and then tap on gear icon, which is for settings. From the options, tap on more. And here you will find an option loop video along with toggle button. So just enable the toggle button and you will get a message video loop is on. So to turn off, just tap on video again, tap on gear icon, tap on more and then toggle the switch to off. So that is how you can loop YouTube video on mobile. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.